twice. Oh, yeah, look, getting juice down here. Why is there stuff in the bucket? Who's responsible for rinsing out the bucket?
I rinsed out the bucket, and then you came over here with a cut piece of wood.
I think we're pressing some apples.
This appears to be working.
That's like magic.
You just let that go for a little bit.
We built the cider press, Joey.
Cool.
Ooh. Buckling the sides of the bucket.
Yeah.
It may not be the best cider press.